The production stage seems to be the shortest of all the stages involved in the creation of a new piece of furniture. Its success consists of all the steps performed beforehand. How do you combine a CAD and CAM environment and ensure a smooth transition from design to manufacturing? Automation is the key. In WOODEXPERT furniture and woodworking design software, generators for 2D documentation and material lists give you a smooth transition from design to production. Automation not only reduces work time and eliminates human mistakes, but also unifies all documentation. By integrating WOODEXPERT with SOLIDWORKS, you'll instantly generate in-C code for any numeric machine, and the built-in component packaging tool will help you prepare packages of finished furniture for safe storage and transport. CAM is based on a technological database which allows you to set up standard strategies and tools for every machine in your factory. All programs are created automatically, but with the ability to adjust parameters and paths as needed. Users can check collisions in generated programs and perform 3D machining simulations. You can easily choose the package that's right for you, whether the machine is 3, 4, or 5 axes. Intelligent control of the entire production chain simply makes your business more productive. Visit our website, woodexpert3d.com, find the contact form, and schedule an online appointment. We'll contact you as soon as possible.